Acquire phrasal verbs. In this lesson, we are going to learn some phrasal verbs that use look. Look for means try to find or search for something. Dan lost his job, and now he's looking for work. Joe looked for his dog all over town and finally found her at the shelter. Look after means to take care of. Antonio is a stay-at-home dad. He looks after his son while his wife is at work. Kara has to look after her father now that he's getting older. Look on means to watch an event without being involved. Everyone in the restaurant looked on as the couple fought. The crowd looked on as the man was arrested. Look up to means to respect or admire someone. Kevin really looks up to his colleague. She is such a hard worker. To look down on means to not respect or admire someone. She looks down on people who are lazy. To look into means to investigate. The police are looking into the cause of the accident. I'm looking into buying a house. Give it a go. Try making a sentence with a phrasal verb with look and leave it in the comments below. Is speaking English difficult for you? Hi, my name is Adam.
And my name is Tuan.
We are English teachers. In our new course on Udemy, we get out of the English classroom and get into the English gym. Let's stop studying and start training to improve our listening, speaking, and pronunciation. The goal of this course is simple: to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. We do not stand in front of a whiteboard teaching grammar. In our videos, we use simple, easy to understand pictures to help you acquire English, not learn English. Here's a quick example.
Is she American too?
No, she's Japanese.
What does she do?
She's a nurse. We want you to have English skills for communication, not just English knowledge for test taking. By following along with our step-by-step training system, we are confident your English speaking, listening, and pronunciation we'll go to the next level. We hope you enjoy the lessons, and thank you for doing the Acquire English course.